I want to get right to the latest on the coronavirus emergency. There are some startling new numbers out now. More than 40,000 people are now infected around the world, and the death toll has surpassed the SARS outbreak. At least 910 people killed. Maggie Rulli is in Yokohama, Japan, where that cruise ship is still being quarantined and the number of infections is growing. Good morning, Maggie.
Good morning, George. Well, with these new numbers coming in, this cruise ship now has the highest concentration of confirmed cases of the virus outside of China. The U.S. Embassy is calling this an unprecedented situation and says they're now even visiting patients who are American with this virus in the hospital. This morning, the number of confirmed novel coronavirus cases on board this quarantined cruise ship nearly doubling. 65 additional patients, bringing the total number of infected on board to 135, including at least 23 Americans.
Just, you never think that something like this is going to happen when you're just on vacation, living life.
Rebecca Frasure from Oregon is one of them. And while for some the coronavirus can be serious and deadly, so far for Rebecca, her treatment in an isolated hospital room on shore has been going well.
It doesn't even feel like a cold, to be perfectly honest. I wouldn't have known that there was anything wrong with me if they hadn't tested me.
Her husband had to stay behind on the ship. So far, he's tested negative.
They said it was just going to be 3 days, but then when she got there, it was going to be 14. So it's a lot longer than we expected.
He's on day 6 of a minimum 14-day quarantine on board the Diamond Princess. Many passengers on the ship are now concerned about the ventilation system, fearing the virus may spread through vents. Although there is no evidence to support this, many say the lack of information and feeling of helplessness is putting them on edge. Passenger Gaetano Cerullo and his wife Milena were celebrating their honeymoon, looking forward to a 30-day cruise. Now the two are on day 6 of a 14-day quarantine.
We aren't sick and we want to keep it that way, so we want to keep our interaction with other people as limited as possible, and also I really don't want to roam the halls because I don't even know how clean the ship is. So we are quarantined in our room. We're not in a how do I put it, a perfectly sealed bubble that keep us from what could or could not happen, you know?
As of this morning, there are more than 40,000 people infected worldwide, and more than 900 have died, mostly in mainland China. The virus now killing more people than at the height of the SARS epidemic in 2002. Princess Cruises is offering everyone on board a full refund, including airfare and any extra charges, and they're even offering them a voucher for another cruise. And guys, get this, we have asked a bunch of people on board if they're going to get back on a cruise ship, and so far, all of them have said yes. George?
Oh, that's a surprising one. Okay, Maggie, thanks very much. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.